Then moving on to our final segment, which is the rapid fire. So self-explanatory, we're going to ask you questions and you have to give us quick and rapid answers. How many days of leave have you taken in the last year?
I can't count because it never feels like a leave somehow.
Fair.
So, no idea.
Your proudest moment with Details?
Proudest moment with Details. I don't think there's been one moment, but like I said, every brand success just feels like my personal proud moment and a proud moment for Details. Like every time a brand does well, it's a proud moment for me.
What was the one time you felt like you let Details down?
When I let Details down. I hope that's never happened. Yeah, but maybe when I've, I guess, not been 100%, mentally, but then I've pulled up like immediately. So I've not been able to give like my most creative ideas or been my creative best. So I think.
Yeah, fair enough. What's a brand you really want to work with?
I now want to work with all the biggest tourism boards and the biggest hotels. So there's not a particular brand, but a lot. So this year, that's the focus. A lot of hotel chains and cool boutique hotels and tourism boards like travel.
Nice.
I'm putting it out into the universe and onto your show.
Perfect. What is the scrappiest thing that you've done to build your business?
I think my growth plan.
Your emotion when you first fired someone?
I cried.
During the process or after?
No, after. I just can't.
Right.
Yeah, it's a difficult situation. And like, was it built up?
It was.
Yeah. What did you do with your first profit?
I think I went on a vacation. That's what I think I did, yeah.
Books or podcasts?
Books.
iPad or notebook?
Notebook.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Both.
And your favorite social media platform?
My favorite social media platform, Instagram.
Okay. But yeah, that concludes the rapid fire segment.